Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to link cell to cell in Excel. Linking cells allows you to create dynamic spreadsheets where changes in one cell automatically update others. This is incredibly useful for financial models, data dashboards, and any report requiring interconnected data. We'll cover the fundamental steps to get you started, ensuring your data stays consistent and accurate across your workbooks. Let's dive in and make your spreadsheet smarter. Creating a simple cell link is straightforward. First, select the cell where you want the linked data to appear. Type an equals sign, then click on the cell you wish to link to. Press Enter, and you've established your first link. You can then drag the fill handle, the small square at the bottom right of the cell, to copy this link across a range of cells, saving you a lot of time and effort. Linking cells isn't limited to a single sheet. To link across worksheets, type an equals sign, click the desired sheet tab, then select the cell. For different workbooks, open both files, type an equals sign in your destination cell, and then navigate to and click the source cell in the other workbook. Excel automatically generates the correct file path and sheet name in your formula, ensuring your data flows seamlessly between your various files. For more robust linking, consider using named ranges. Instead of a 1, you could link to sales total, making formulas much easier to read and manage. Also, remember the difference between absolute and relative references. Using dollar signs, like $1 locks the reference, preventing it from changing when copied. Finally, always check your external links regularly to ensure they are pointing to the correct and most up-to-date source files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.